Alright guys, in this video of Baking and Buttercream, we are making a super quick and super easy pumpkin pie. So, let's take a break and bake. For the pie crust, you need 1 1/4 cup of flour, half a cup of oil, 2 tablespoons of milk, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and half a teaspoon of salt. For the pumpkin filling, you need 15 ounces of pure pumpkin puree, 1 1/4 cups of half and half, 3/4 cups of packed brown sugar, 3 eggs, 1 1/2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of allspice, half a teaspoon of ginger, and finally a 1/4 teaspoon of fresh ground nutmeg. Alright guys, so the first thing that we're gonna do, we're gonna make our pie crust. So what you're gonna do, in a large bowl, pour your flour, oil, sugar, salt, and milk. Then mix this all together until it forms a dough. After that, you're gonna go ahead and take a buttered pie pan and go ahead and put your dough in the pie pan and push it up along the sides and down on the bottom. After your pie dough has covered the entire pan, put that in the oven at 400 degrees for about 10 to 15 minutes or until it reaches a golden brown color. After your pie crust is all done and it has reached that golden brown color, let it cool on the side, and now we're gonna go ahead and start making our pumpkin filling. Before we start making our pumpkin filling, make sure that you subscribe to my channel, click the like button, and make sure to share my channel with all your friends and leave a comment down below about what you want me to make in a future episode. Alright guys, let's go ahead and make that pie filling. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna take your pumpkin puree and put that in a large bowl. Then put your half and half, eggs, your brown sugar, your cinnamon, your allspice, your ginger, salt, and your nutmeg. Then just mix that all together until it's all evenly combined and well mixed. Whenever that's all well mixed and your pie crust is completely cooled, go ahead and pour your filling into your pie pan and put that in the oven at 350 degrees for about 50 to 60 minutes. You know when it's done if the outsides are pretty firm and the inside is just a little loose, not liquidy, just a little loose where it's nice and easy to cut, but it won't run everywhere as soon as you lift up the pie. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video of Baking and Buttercream. I had such a fun time making this easy pumpkin pie for Thanksgiving. So, please make this recipe and click one of the 2 videos right here. YouTube recommends this top one, I recommend this bottom one, and the Baking and Buttercream icon is over here to subscribe to my channel. Have a great day and go celebrate Thanksgiving.